Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content. So if that's what you like, then please subscribe. Today, I'm going to do a birth year makeup look. So mine was born in 1961. So that is the year I'm going to do a makeup look for. The palette I chose is the ColourPop So Elemental, because there was a lot of blue going on there. Now I'm going to try to just stay with the mattes, no shimmers, because they didn't do shimmers back then. I do have a white that I can use if I get it too dark. I have moisturizer on. I didn't put any primer. They didn't do all that kind of stuff then. Lippies. This ColourPop lip kit. I purchased it a while back, and it's the first time I've used it, and I picked out a pink one for that. So anyway, so let's get started. I'm going to start off, I want to try to get a light blue. So this here is sort of dark. So I think I'm going to start off with, even though these aren't real blue, I might like lay down this first and then just mix in a little bit of this with it and see how I like it. I know I've got plenty of blue palettes, but anyway, I was wanting to pick something that I hadn't used before, and that was this one. I mean, I bought it. I need to use it because I've got plans for all the other blue palettes. I like, you know, do 3 or 4 looks with in a video. So this is turning out good. I'll be honest, this is the 4th time I've started this. And some I just messed up completely. Some of them, the colors was just too dark for the 60s. I might want to darken this up just a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit of this blue, but I don't want too much of it because I don't recall a whole lot of dark colors. Everything was kind of muted and light. Hopefully I won't mess this up. So it looks like, fortunately, it doesn't look like we're going to have the white, but I'll keep it out just in case. Now then, this was something interesting that they did. So we're going to do this real quick too. Let me find a brush that I like. They put a little halo up here above their crease. So we're going to do that. I'm going to take this black color. I'm not going to try to make it too terribly black. But they had different eyeliners than we did. They had like water activated. I don't know if I'm doing this exactly right. Seemed like the pictures I saw, they was more rounder than mine. Let's see if we can do this. And it was just kind of muted like this. It's not really in your crease, it's above your crease. And I don't have both eyes exact, so. This here is kind of dipped down. I'm going to try to smooth that out a little bit. What color did we use? This one. So I'm going to bring this one back up a little bit higher. It's probably easier on the young people because, you know, we've got the deeper set in eyes than they did then. Okay, that's probably about as good as I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and buff out this bottom, especially this one. See if I can get that toned down a little bit more. And I will post some pictures on here. Okay, now for the eyeliner. Now I picked up some black ColourPop eyeliner. This is brand new. Like I said, I've already started this a couple times, so the box is already gone bye-bye. So, okay, so there's the top eyeliner. I didn't do that great of a job, but anyway, we did. And so then we also had liner under the eye. We didn't put a lot of color under the eye, or they didn't. I didn't start wearing makeup till the 70s. And I have seen other people do looks with green, but I just be honest, I do not recall any green at all going on when I was young. It was all blue. Okay, now for mascara. Hopefully I won't make a mess of this. Um, I'm just going to use black. I might use a little bit of primer too. Um, but I'm afraid to use the tubing mascara. That gets all over the place and real super likely to mess it up even worse. So I'm going to use some primer and then some black. And you know what I forgot? Let's go ahead and finish this first. They either used a lot of mascara and or drew in eyelashes. And I do remember seeing people with drawn in lashes, even like in the 80s. Like I'd go to Kmart or something and someone would have those in. So I'm going to do my waterline real quick. Then I'm going to draw in. Now this is going to be scary. Draw in some lashes. So let's see about drawing in these lashes now. Take some practice. I don't know about that, guys. I think I would prefer not to have that. I'm going to go wipe this off and we'll just use thick mascara. Okay, I'm back. I got that off. That looks a lot harder. I mean, that is a lot harder than it looks. So we're just going to use thick mascara. I'm going to line my eyes back because I wiped that off. Okay, we got some mascara on. I think this side looks a lot better than this one. But anyway, it is what it is. Let me just see about a little bit more blending. And eyebrows. The eyebrows were kind of natural. Um, but I do need to color them in a little bit because they just look kind of gray. How about we use this Milani paint? I haven't had problems with that. This is just Milani. Nothing spectacular, just kind of a natural look. Now I'm going to put on some powder. Seems like we used to use CoverGirl and stuff like that. Now they all had kind of short hair. I am not cutting my hair, but I am going to put it in a little ponytail because I need to get it out of my way anyway. And I don't recall having a lot of brushes and stuff like that till the 90s. We just used the puff. And then we used to have like a little applicator that would come in the eyeshadow. Okay, I'm going to put my hair up and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got my hair put up. Even though these are supposed to be super duper easy, it still takes me forever to get them in. Anyway, so let's put on the lipstick. This is just a pink. Okay, this is my birth year look. Hope you like it. Give me some comments, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.